Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note5 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to tap apps icon, let's find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the general management right here. Let's tap language and input, and right now you are using the English version, so let's tap on language. You are using the English from United States, but you can choose add a language and you can use one of the following languages from the following list. For example, you can choose Deutsch. Let's choose your country. Let's choose Deutschland in my case. And now if you would like to use Deutsch, let's place Deutsch into the first position. So let me hold it for a second and let's put it right here. And right now you can go back, and as you can see, everything changed into the Deutsch. If you would like to go back to the previous, so to the English one, let's hold down the English, and right now you can go back, and as you can see, everything is in English. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.